T-Edge, the fully automatic Gravity Class S autoclave, upgradable to Class B pre-post vacuum sterilization autoclave, designed for dental clinics, and small medical practices. Meet our friendly user interface touchscreen. Based on your load, press on the requested sterilization program or choose from the validation and maintenance programs available. Press Start to begin the sterilization cycle. For the cycle progress, watch the indication bar. If necessary, press the Stop button to stop sterilization in progress. Upon cycle completion, tap the Confirm button. Upon alarm display, alarm details will appear in a dedicated screen. When T-Edge powers on for the first time, set up the date, time, and language. Connect T-Edge to power outlet. Then turn on the back power switch. Switch on the front power switch. Wait for the system to power up until user interface is displayed. When opening the door for the first time, make sure to remove all packing materials from the chamber. Remove the warning sticker from the T-Edge front panel. Remove the cover from the water reservoir opening. Then pour distilled water into the water tank. Watch for the water level indication icon to turn blue. Keep pouring distilled water until the icon indicates a full tank. If needed, use the water pouring extension aid to reach the water reservoir. When the water tank icon is indicated red, empty the wastewater tank using the front drain port. When preparing a wrapped load, place the required equipment on the sterilization pouch. Include the control chemical indicator in the pouch, then place the equipment on the T-Edge dedicated trays. Insert the trays into the chamber. For unwrapped load, place the equipment and chemical indicator directly on the dedicated trays and into the chamber. When cycle is completed, always check for the chemical indicator color change, assuring steam exposure. Rotate the equipment rack 90 degrees for surgical cassettes loading. After equipment loading, select your required program, close the door and press the Start button. Place one chamber clean capsule at the back of the chamber for maintenance every 25 cycles to keep T-Edge chamber clean and shiny.